Hi everyone, welcome to My Cute Tunes with Jog. Today we're going to draw a fairy, so follow along with me. So first, let's draw the head. So we're going to draw a head like this, and there we go. A beautiful round little head. Then, big eyes. Our fairy should have very big eyes. There we go. And let's complete the eyes. You draw two lines like so, and then two round circles like so, and a smaller circle inside. There we go, great. And maybe one there as well. Now let's draw a nose, a small little nose, and then a beautiful little smile. Right, from there, follow along with me. We draw a line up like so, and we're going to draw a line like so. Now, first I want us to draw a little ear, and then another little ear like that. And here, let's draw a circle like so, and this is a flower. So there we go, a little flower in our fairy's hair, and we want a little eyebrow there, and a little eyebrow like so. Now from here, we're gonna draw her hair. So her hair is gonna go wavy, back like so, and from here, we're gonna draw hair like there, like so, and it's gonna go. You can just make a line like that, and another one like so. Good. Now on this side, let's draw another flower. There we go. There's a little flower. And now we're gonna draw her hair. We're gonna finish off with her hair, and it's going to go all the way down like there, like so. And let's draw another line. Follow me, like so, and another line. Just gives the hair some texture. And now let's draw the neck. And I think we can start now with a dress. So let's draw a dress. Make a V shape like so. And we're going to make another two lines like this. And then her shoulders. There we go. There's one shoulder, and there's another shoulder. And then her arms. There we go. So now what we're going to do is let's draw two lines like so, but not too much, just like so. And then from here, we're going to draw a line like this, and you're going to do it like so. And the other side as well, like there. And then here, you're going to draw a line like this, and you're going to two lines like so. Good. And then what you're going to do, you're going to turn these lines back. So you're going to do that. So this is going to be a little bit tricky. So I want you to draw a line like this, and then on this side, about the same distance, another line like so, a half circle. And now we're going to connect them, and we're going to connect them. Good. That's her legs. So then from here, we're going to do this. And then what I want you to do is draw a little line like there. Okay, if you're finished, then you're going to connect these lines. And now we're going to bring this line down, and you're going to draw a line like so. And you're going to make a box like that. And look, we have a hand. Now let's draw a feet. There's one foot, and then we're going to draw like this. Great, perfect. Now for the other leg. So it's going to be a bit tricky. So from there, you're going to go around like so, and you're going to go back. And then from here, you're going to go like this. Good, perfect. And now for the arm. So this arm, it goes like there, and this line like so. Good. Now for her hair. Now we can draw something like this and take it back, and another line like this and take it back, and another line like this. And from this side we can do exactly the same thing like so. And then let's do the top of her head, and we're going to come back all the way, and we're going to connect those lines. And we're going to do the same here, and we're going to connect them. Okay, and then same like this, and the same like this. There we go, perfect. And now what does our little fairy need? I know what. Wings. We need wings. So follow me, and then we're going to draw a wing like this, like so, and like so. And then from there we'll bring it back. Okay, and then on the other side we're going to do exactly the same thing. Wing like there, like so, like so, and we're going to bring it back. And then we're going to draw another line within that line. You're just going to follow it like this. I'm going to do this, and we do exactly the same the other side. We'll do exactly the same thing on the other side. Perfect. Now what else? Let's make, there we go, and 3 shapes like this, and then we can just connect these lines. We can connect them, we can connect these, and maybe just give a little bit of a texture there, and a little line like so. Oh dear, it seems I need a new pen. Right, and yeah, that's that. So I made a few changes to our fairy picture. See if you can spot the differences and try to change your picture on your own. Thanks for watching, and click the like button if you enjoyed drawing with me. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.